The PD97 series is the industry's first motor-driven, sensor-controlled mortise lock for sliding doors with true touchless functionality. This series is designed to provide secure access control solutions for commercial openings in the healthcare, institutional, commercial office, and hospitality industries. The PD97 can be integrated into any existing or extended access control systems, including those with biometric authentication. Power can be provided through a standard overhead transfer, but INOX has also developed an option that supplies low-voltage power directly from the strike to the lock faceplate for fast and easy installation. This eliminates the need for drilling to facilitate a wire chase through the door or hinges. The ES model has an auto-locking function, as well as built-in monitoring switches for door position, deadbolt monitoring, and request to exit. An alarm function determines when the deadbolt has not properly engaged, and the alarm sounds at the monitoring station after 3 automatic attempts to relock the door have failed. INOX also offers the only fail-secure solution on the market for electrified sliding door locks to remain mechanically locked during a power failure. Available finishes include satin stainless steel and bright polished stainless steel, as well as flat black, graphite black, dark bronze, and gray in Ceramax ceramic coatings.